Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you're new. So it's been a very busy day and weekend as well. Since I'm preparing for the exhibition the first week of December, there was a lot of things going on. I need to prepare everything. I need to make sure that the canvas can be hanged up and so forth, and I thought I need to make a selection. So what I thought is also the handling of my painting when people are looking at them, when they're sanitizing their hands, what's going to happen to the surface of the painting. I don't want them to get any damages from that sanitization stuff. So I have been very busy this week covering my canvases with a very thin piece of wrapping. Made sure that all the things that they need are attached to it in that packing, so it's easy. And this is only for the smaller pieces, just like these ones which you've seen that I made in one of my previous videos, the red pieces as well. The pricings are on, cards are on, it's been stamped and so forth. I thought that was a good idea. So now I'm only missing the bigger paintings, and there are a lot of them. But I need my husband to help me out because the frame is quite thick, as you know, quite thick. So I need to get him to use his awesome tools and his support to do it the right way, so that the screws are sitting in the right places. So when it's going to be hanged up at the exhibition. In addition, when I thought I was going to start up today doing my painting and my video, my husband said we need to install the new washing machine and dryer to save some money, because right now everything is skyrocketing. It's like a rocket sent off for prices of fuel for the car, prices on the electricity. So any saving that we can do on that part, we're going to do. So we had to remove the old one and install the new one, and it took some time. So busy day. And yesterday I also had a day with cleaning the dog and doing the dogs. So you know how it is. Anyway, so today we're going to do a 60 by 50 centimeter canvas. I have already prepared an additional batch of my base paint, which is going to be titanium white. And in one of my next videos, I will show you how I actually mix my paint. And I need to caution you that some paints are not as heavy as Amsterdam Golden. Golden is very heavy. There is a new brand that I also used in my previous video that is very heavy, actually, in the consistency. So that's why I always mix in a plastic cup to be able to see how it looks, instead of just putting it straight into the measurement of my plastic bottles. So the other colors that we're going to use today is Winsor Newton, Permanent Magenta, a lot of colors. We're going to use the Golden Cobalt Violet hue, which I used previously as well. The Pearl Violet from Amsterdam. The Light Rose from Amsterdam, just to give some contrast. The Quinacridone Magenta from Golden. Then we're going to add some Iridescent Violet Blue from Pebeo, and from Amsterdam a dash of the Light Gold. So let me push down the base paint and put you on fast forward on that one, so that we can get down to business. So see you in a minute. colors are ready to go down. So it took some time, as always, to get the canvas at the right stage here. So we're back here. Right, so let's start with the permanent magenta. I see something in my white paint that I do not like. Small dust particles, I don't want them in there. Okay, so let's go for the Y here. If that's enough. I'll just add a dash, a little bit more. Never get too much color, can you? And it's the Cobalt Violet hue from Golden. Okay, there's something stuck in my nozzle here from the paint. Then we're taking the Violet Pearl here from Amsterdam. Already when putting it down, seen from my perspective, it looks gorgeous. Wow. That's in contrast. Then we're taking the Light Rose from Amsterdam. The Quinacridone Magenta from Golden. A lot of pink and violet here. But I thought I needed to do something different. Instead of my blue and green and metallic colors, and get something bright in here for this time of the year. So this is the Iridescent Violet Blue from Pebeo. Another pinky color, but with some iridescent in it. It gives it some additional shimmer. Wow, looks good. And then on top of it, the last color is going to be from Amsterdam, a dash of the light gold. So that it's not all pinky here. Let's give it a little bit more. Not enough. It's quite a thin line here. Ooh. Right, let's put all the colors away. I haven't decided which hair dryer to use, but let's just start torching the stuff away. Okay, let's blow this thing out and see what happens. Wow, I may have to blow a little bit more here. Let me just try that out and see what happens. I am very happy with this painting now. A lot of cells are popping up as we speak, or I speak. Not you. Yeah, it looks amazing. It looks actually quite good. I'm pretty sure that these colors are gonna pop when they're dried up and had a little varnish. I'm happy. I'm not gonna change anything. Just gonna scrape the edges here for the drips, and then I'm gonna give you a close-up with no studio lights to see how this looks in a close-up. Simple, fast, way too fast. Yeah. Let me give you a close-up. So we're back. Let's just see that I took off all the drips here. As you can see, it's clean and nice. Wow, can you see these colors and all these cells that are just popping up as we speak, as I speak? Wow, I really enjoy these colors. I'm looking forward to seeing this when it dries up. These are gorgeous cells. Beautiful colors together actually. And you see this pearl coming up in between here together with the Pebeo color. Yeah, I really do enjoy this. I'm not going to change anything. I love the way that it turned out, the composition in itself. Maybe a little bit too much negative space for my husband, but I'm happy with it. It looks good. Beautiful, beautiful down here with all the this darker color. That's so beautiful. Love that color. It's almost like my nail polish. That I normally only wear when in the summertime. Yeah, I'm more than happy. What do you think? Leave a comment, send me a mail, and until next week, have a fantastic day and week. See you soon. Bye bye.